Hi, Chris Morrissey with House Prospector, previewing homes in Mission Viejo today. Just walked out of a beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath, approximately 2,600 square foot home. Lot size is right around 5.5. It was at about 550 square foot. Small backyard. The front and the back are all bricked in, so it's a beautiful brick, like I said, in front, in the back. And the other nice thing about the backyard, it's a smaller backyard but low maintenance. They do have planters all out there. They do have a built-in fire pit with built-in seating, and it's all looking westbound, so you're going to be able to see some nice sunsets from that vantage point. And it's all built in, already plumbed up for natural gas already out there. Now this is a single, well, it could be considered a single loaded street because there's a hillside on this side and there's a hillside on your back, and the hillside on your back probably goes down a good 100 feet before the next house. So you've got an unrestricted view looking at the mountains and the valley that is below you. Now, inside the house, you do have one bedroom downstairs. It's a 4-bedroom, but one bedroom is downstairs. You have a 3/4 bathroom downstairs as well to support that. Now, the entryway is mainly tile, but then the rest of the house is nice, beautiful wood flooring all throughout. The kitchen is pretty nice. I wouldn't say overly upgraded, but it's in great condition. This house is in great condition all throughout. It seems like it was probably whatever the original builder had, that's what this house has. So there's nothing over the top as far as what do you call it, renovations or anything like that. I did notice some spots where it could have been cleaned up, but other than that, this house is pretty immaculate. Now, the how about the master bedroom suite? That overlooks your backyard, so you do get a great view of the hillsides and the valleys below you. And then the other two rooms are pretty decent. They're pretty decent size. There is a full bathroom to support those two upstairs as well. Now, as the stairwell comes up, it opens up so you have high ceilings there when you enter into the entryway and to the living room area of the home. So a lot of light, a lot of natural light coming in there. There is even a small little front patio area, or I should say courtyard, because they have it kind of closed off there. So you do have a private little courtyard in front, so just in case it gets breezy from the back, then you can go to the front and you can still sit outside and enjoy your coffee, or sit and read or something like that. 3-car garage, plus the driveway has enough for an additional 3 more cars, and then there's plenty of parking all throughout these up and down the street. Now, the price point on this is $945. This is a Bullock Russell, so I'm not ashamed to say that we have already got this offers in on this house. So if you are interested in something like this in a beautiful area of Mission Viejo, then you got to get it in quick, because they just went on the market and the listing agent got like 4 or 5 calls. People already came in, they already put an offer in it that day. So that's how nice this house is. So if you want to be in on something, guess what? You gotta subscribe to my page, so that way you know when things are coming up. These houses that I'm looking at are houses that just really come onto the market, and for houses like this that are in beautiful areas and in great shape, guess what? They go like that. So if you're really in the market, subscribe to this page and I'll get you some vital information right up front. So hope you're having a good day. And if this is something that you'd be interested in, give me a call, 949-813-9185. And like I said, I'll get you the information. You'll get information on houses that just came on the market or within a week. So, subscribe to this page and be in the know. Hope you're having a good day, and I'll see you next preview.